Want me to keep clapping?
Yeah. That's good.
My name is Max Miller. I'm 15 years old. I'm from Springfield, Oregon. I ride Schoolboy 1, Schoolboy 2, and 125 BC.
When we were on Super Minis, we started testing a little bit on the 125s, and he loves the 125. It's got more power, it's got bigger wheels, suspension's better. He really, really enjoys his 125, and it's a two-stroke, and so it's easy to ride a two-stroke when you're coming off of a two-stroke. We went to Texas, and we're racing in Texas, and he did one little dab and popped the ACL, and so we didn't get to ride for about 7-8 months. In that same time frame, he's grown, and so he's kind of transitioned into the 125 real nice. Since then, we've been on the grind, training, trying to get Max back up to speed.
I really enjoy mountain biking. I think it's an awesome cross training, as well as I just would do it even if I wasn't training. I like to do it just for fun. It makes working out really fun because it's challenging. You're not really thinking about how high your heart rate's getting and how hard you're pushing it. You're really just trying to get up the mountain and dodge the rocks and not fall over, because I would do it with clip-ins. It's an awesome workout and it's a lot of fun. My heart rate will get really high because I'll just be pushing it, and then there's a little bit of adrenaline, you get sketchy, and it's really fun.
I would like to see Max have a career that he enjoys, and maybe not even a career. It's provided a lot of opportunities for us to just have good family time. And in the future, if that's what he wants to do for his income, then great. I want him to be successful. My primary interest at this point is to stay healthy and have fun.
Yeah, I'm going like this way.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. The way I see it is you're having fun and you're working hard. That's all you can ask for. I mean, the results will come if you're working hard and having fun and you still love it. So I mean, that's my main goal. Keep the dream alive pretty much and keep chasing it all the way through pros, but it's gonna take a lot of work to get there. I think of Cal Classic as a big race, and they're giving away AMA championships, so I treat it the same as every race. If I'm not at the top at Cal Classic, then I'll use that to my advantage and keep building. We're gonna go watch the 450B Moto and then the 450 Pro Moto, see if we can catch the good line.
So you want to go try to emulate what those fast guys are doing and looking at maybe some of the lines that somebody else might not have looked at. So the more you can look at the track with guys that are going faster around it, the more you can pick up to try to find a little advantage somewhere during the race.
When we go to the races, we go to the races to win. We're racing the best kids in the world here, and these guys are training hard and we're training hard, and we just got second place, and that's fantastic. But in reality, you want to win. Lots of people have different things in their lives that they do at different chapters in their life. We're in a chapter right now where we are racing dirt bikes and we're enjoying what we do. It's expensive, sure. It takes a lot of time and commitment, you bet it does. And if you're gonna do it, you might as well do it the best that you can. I think it's totally worth it. We're having a good time, we're having a good family time, we're testing ourselves in all measures, mentally, physically, financially, and I think it makes us all better people, and it makes us have a really good life.